guys sa underhooks. High underhooks. High underhooks best done pag nandito ka sa gitna, sa corner position. Although ang problem with high underhooks, mas madali niya ilabas yung puwet niya. Pero dahil nilalabas niya ang puwet niya to space inside, sa gitna, mas madali ako makatransition ng mga upper body attacks. Okay? Kasi high. Now, if you wanna go low, you're gonna go for low attacks. Ang level naman ng underhooks natin, mid. Low underhooks. Ang position, ito lang yun. Ganito grip, going inward, bicep inward, elbow inward, kapit. Your goal is to make sure that the spine is no longer straight. Kailangan mag-bend yan. Kung kontrolado mo ulo, yung control the entire body. So therefore, if I'm doing this and using my head, moving it left or right, kontrolado ko balance niya. So balikan ko lang dito ha. Yes, nakaano ka, low on the hook dito, right? Madali siya mag-pummel out. Kung makapummel siya ng isang kamay, at kung ginawa natin na pwedeng gumili. Same principle pa rin. Nakakalow pa rin ako. This time, yung plate ko, ito ko pinapasok. Okay? Talagang inward. Ulo kasama. Your goal is to manipulate the spine. Okay? Okay ka lang? Wala kang dama ko eh. Edit lang. Why? Kasi itong part ng ano natin, nakatawan natin, ng torso natin, floating ribcage. Wait. Ribcage is floating, is very vulnerable to movement. Doon natin lalagyan ng pressure. You motherfuckers. Okay? Thank you. Next drill. Mabilis na lang tayo ha.